In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purge cache in Cloudways. If you've ever updated your website and then refreshed the page only to see the old version still showing, you're definitely not alone. This happens because Cloudways uses several layers of caching to keep websites fast. That speed is great for visitors, but it can also mean your latest changes don't appear right away unless you clear the right cache layers. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to clear cache at the application level, purge the server level varnish cache, restart Redis if needed, clear local plugin cache, and then confirm everything updated properly. Let's begin with the application level cache. This is the best place to start if you only want to refresh one website without affecting anything else on the server. Log into your Cloudways platform, go to the Applications tab, and open the website you want to work on. In the left-hand menu, click Application Settings. Then open the Tools tab, find the Varnish section, and click Purge. This clears the cached version for that specific application and is usually enough for simple content or design updates. If the old version still appears, or if you manage multiple sites on the same server, move to the server level cache. Go back to the main dashboard, click the Servers tab, and select the server hosting your site. In the left menu, click Manage Services. Find the Varnish service and click Purge. This clears the broader server level cache, which is useful when changes are not being picked up after the application purge. Like if things still seem stuck, you can use Restart instead, which performs a deeper reset of the service. Next, if your site relies heavily on database-driven content, such as an online store or membership site, Redis may also need to be refreshed. Stay in Manage Services, locate Redis, and click Restart. This forces the system to pull fresh data from the database instead of serving older cached query results. After that, clear any local caching inside your website. If you're using WordPress with the Breeze plugin, log into your WordPress dashboard, hover over Breeze in the top admin bar, and click Purge All Cache. If you also use the Cloudways Cloudflare integration, go back to your Cloudways application panel, open Cloudflare, and choose the option to purge all CDN assets. That makes sure visitors around the world receive the newest version of your site. Finally, validate everything. Open an incognito or private browser window and visit your website. Check that your design changes, updated content, and functional fixes are now visible. This step is important because it helps you confirm that you're seeing a fresh version of the site rather than a locally cached one. That's it. You now know how to safely purge cache in Cloudways and make sure your live website shows the latest updates correctly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.